In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the data labels in Tableau. This process is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to customize your data visualizations with ease. Let's get started. First, open the Tableau app. This is the platform where all the magic happens. If you haven't already installed it, you might want to pause this video and download it from Tableau's official site. Once Tableau is open, access your worksheet. This is where you'll apply changes to your data labels. If you already have a worksheet open, make sure it contains the data you want to work with. Next, let's move on to structuring your data. Drag the region field to the columns. This action places the data into a format that's easier to manage and visualize across different categories. Then take the sales field and drag it to the rows. This aligns your sales data straightforwardly along the vertical axis, allowing you to clearly see and interpret your sales figures in relation to different regions. Now that we have our basic data layout, let's add some labels. Drag sales over to the label section in your worksheet. This step makes your data more informative by directly associating numerical detail with your visual display. With labels in place, it's time to customize them. Click on the label option and a small menu will appear. Look for the three dots on the text area there and click on them. This brings up the text editor that allows you to modify the data label's content. In this text editor, you have the flexibility to write anything on the label, adding clarity or context that suits your presentation style. You might want to include descriptors that make your data easier to understand at a glance. Alternatively, you can also insert fields directly into the label if you want to dynamically link data attributes, which is particularly handy if your dataset is extensive or complex. Once you've made your changes, remember to apply and save them by clicking Apply followed by OK. This ensures that your modifications are saved and reflected in your worksheet. If you desire more customization or need to make additional fields available for labeling, simply drag those fields to the Label section, applying the same process as before. Repeat this editing process as needed, refining your labels to precisely communicate the story your data tells. Taking the time to fine-tune your data labels in Tableau will significantly enhance the readability and impact of your visualizations, making your data insights clear and compelling. And that's it. You now know how to change and customize data labels in Tableau. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching and happy data visualizing.